In part 4, we're going to go ahead and join the left front panel, right front panel, the arms and the back panel all together. My arms joined, so I've got 2 arms. I have my back panel, and then I've got my 2 front panels right here. So here's my back. Of course, I'm putting it back to front as if I'm going to lie on this. I'm going to bring in my 2 front panels. I'm going to secure the top first. So this is my shoulder and my shoulder. Exactly the same way using a crochet hook. So I'm going to pin it there, pin it there, pin it there. I'm not going to do any stitching on the sides of the body, just the 2 top bits here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. I'm going to do it off camera because you know how to stitch already. We're going to do it exactly the same way as we did when we put these motifs together. So I have connected the 2 shoulders to the back body, and we're going to start to connect the arms to the cardigan. So now you see the arms. If you've got 4 motif or squares going across, you must ensure that your cardigan balances. What I mean by that is I only got 3, so I need to make sure that you see this seam here. This is where the cardigan folds on my shoulder. I need to ensure that the middle of my motif sits right here on the end there, because this cardigan needs to fall in line with the drop of the body. So if you've got 4, let's say for argument's sake there's another row here and the cardigan folds like that, you're going to want to make sure that when you half your sleeve, it matches up with where your shoulder folds, like that. So I'm going to go ahead and connect this like so to the cardigan. I've now changed to a needle from a crochet hook because I'm lazy and that's all I could find. So I'm going to just go ahead and seam the shoulders to the arms. Just doing a couple of knots, and I'm going to grab my scissors and just snip. Well, I've got that slap bang in the middle there. I need to connect this bit to this bit now, like that. So this end will go to this end. Just going to double knot. Snip. And then we've got this end to this end here. Then we've just got 1 more left, like that. Snip, and then the last bit that will be connected to the center of the body. Like that. Double knot. And now I'm going to do the same at the back. So can you see that taking place now? If I just move that around, that's my shoulder there, and that's the body there, there's the arm. So I'll just turn this around and carry this on. So I'll stitch that to that, and I'll be back when I've stitched just up until here to the arm, because then we're going to need to fix the sides. Okay, so I have attached the sleeve to the body of the cardigan, and this is what we're looking like so far. What I'm going to do now is I am going to go ahead and stitch along the arm and the side of the body like this. So I'll go up the arm, side of the body, and then I'll do the other side. And then when we come back, we're going to talk about borders, we'll talk about edgings, we'll talk about buttons, we'll talk about sleeve cuffs and the rest of it. So I shall get cracking with that off camera, because this video will be about 700 hours long if I go ahead and fix everything on camera. So with that, don't go anywhere.